Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing my experience with Appen, one of the most popular side hustle platforms. I've been using it for 5 years, so I'll help you decide if it's worth your time. No fluff, let's get straight to it. So, is Appen still worth it? From my experience, absolutely yes. If that's all you needed to know, great. But if you want to understand why, stick around. Here's a look at my PayPal payments from Appen. They use Payoneer for processing, and over the past months, I've earned anywhere from $600 to $780, sometimes more, sometimes less. It varies because this is a side hustle for me. I have a full-time job. Even with limited time, I've made an extra few $100s a month. Not to brag, just to show it's real. I do tasks while watching TV or washing dishes, making money with minimal effort. If you're new or have been using Appen for a while, I'll share how to get started and my best tips to maximize earnings. If you find this helpful and want to explore other online income sources, check out my next video. Signing up for Appen is simple. You visit their site, create an account with your email and basic details, and select your country. Once registered, it may take a few days or weeks to get approved. Be patient. Once in, you'll see available projects listed with descriptions, payment details, and workload levels. A key tip: prioritize hourly pay projects over task-based ones. Task-based work depends on availability, so some days you earn well, but others, not much. Hourly pay is steady. 1 hour means $10, 2 hours means $20. Simple. Another tip: avoid long qualification exams when possible. Many projects require exams, but I skip those unless they're quick. I've never done multi-part exams in 5 years and still made money. Look for simpler projects. Before applying, always check the project details, including required hours and qualifications. Some projects need unpaid training, skip those if you don't want to work for free. Find ones with easy sign-ups instead. Don't rely only on Appen. Some months have plenty of projects, others don't. Explore other side hustles too. I share more options on my channel, so check them out if you're interested in remote work. Patience is key. Some projects take time to get approved, and there might be gaps when work is slow. I've been on Appen for years, and sometimes I had nothing available. That's just how it works. Work smart. A second monitor or tablet can help multitask. Bluetooth headphones are useful if you need to listen to audio-based tasks. Small adjustments make side hustling more efficient. Results vary. You might earn more than me or less, it depends on the projects you choose. A lot of people online talk about Appen without actually using it. I hope this real insight helps you decide. If it did, a like or comment goes a long way. Check out my next video for another money-making platform, and I'll see you there.